Go back to that page we were just looking at, page 92. What's the agreement that McMahon and Hussein have just worked out? That last line, what's the deal? It's this for that. Yes?
We get your involvement in the war. You get your independence against the Ottoman Empire.
Boom, that's it. You're holding in your hand a primary document, a primary source. You don't have to listen to me. You don't have to listen to the news. You got it for yourself. What I'm trying to show you today, and this is true in your college career, right? My class is not just history. It's about reading and listening. Go directly to the source for yourself. Look, scrutinize, deconstruct. This is a good habit in any of your classes. Compare, contrast skills, deconstruct skills, looking at the fine points and the words used. All of this will help you, hopefully, in college, and that was among my many goals for today.